Hello and welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Healthy and crunchy makhana masala recipe is ideal in your fitness journey. So let's get started. Into a karai, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Into this, I'm adding 1.5 cup of makhanas. Makhanas are low in calories, high in protein and fiber, make them a healthy snack option in this modern world. Keep stirring continuously to ensure that they are roasted evenly from all the sides. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes, so keep stirring and have some patience while stirring. Time to add pinch of black salt, also known as kala namak. Add pinch of rock salt. Add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Do add some fresh curry leaves, will not increase the taste but also help in your hair fall. So do add this. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. This a nice stir and turn off the flame. Transfer immediately them into another bowls and let them cool completely. Our super healthy, super crunchy makhana snacks are ready. They are gluten-free, low in fat, calories, make them a healthy snack in your fitness journey and overall in your weight loss journey. So do try this and let me know in the comments box how it turns out. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.